Hello students, hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to start the chapter 1 of economics development. I am your economics teacher Anas Zamir, and in this chapter we'll understand the meaning of development, and there are various meaning of the term development in the different contexts. So let's start the chapter, and it is very important that what we will learn after the completion of this chapter. You will be able to evaluate, you will be able to self-assess the question regarding the development, and you will be able to check yourself how much you learned. There are the different approaches for the development. For individual there are different approaches, and for the group there are different approaches. So through this way you will be able to connect more after the completion of this chapter. So let's start the reading. What is development? So when we talk about the development, so first when we talk about the development, so what first come in our mind? What do you think? Development means we are thinking something is growing, there is some growth in the surrounding or in any of the particular sector. So let's start what book is telling us about the development. Okay, so I am going to start the reading of the chapter, and be very specific. I have forwarded you the book in the PDF in your class group and Google Classroom. So be specific while reading and concentrate on it. Let's start. So the idea of development or progress has always been with us. We have aspirations or desires about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. Similarly, we have ideas about what a country should be like, what are the essential things that we require. Can life be better for all? How should people live together? Can there be more equality? So these are the questions which are coming in our mind, and development involves thinking about these questions and about the ways in which we can work towards achieving these goals. So finally we can say it is a complex task, and in this chapter we shall make a beginning at understanding development, and you will learn more about these issues in greater depth in higher classes. What is development? Also, you will find answers to many of these questions, not just in economics but also in your course in history and political science, when there was the development, how it happened, how it occurs usually. This is because the way we live today is influenced by the past. We cannot desire for change without being aware of this. In the same way, it is the only through a democratic political process that these hopes and possibilities can be achieved in real life. Here you can see there is a picture given, and that picture is depicting कि without me they cannot develop in this system, I cannot develop. Here we are seeing that there is a process of development. Slowly and gradually the things develop. But what in our mind, the questions coming in our mind, such as what are the essential things that we require for the development? Can life be better for all? How should people live together? Can there be more equality? So we will get the answer of these all the questions which are coming in our mind. Let's see the first term which has given. The term is what development promises, and there is a point, different people, different goals. I think you are agreeing with that point that different people are having different types of goals. Some are thinking that if they are getting more respect, they are getting security, they are developed. Some are thinking if they are getting the equal job opportunities, they are respected by all, so they feel they are developed. Some are thinking if they are earning more money, so they are developed. So let's see what book is explaining about it. Let us try to imagine what development or progress is likely to mean to different persons listed in table 1.1. What are their aspirations? What will find that some columns are partially filled. Try to complete the table. You can also add any other category of person. Here is a picture also. That picture is saying, the person is saying who is standing with the rickshaw, you want a car. The way our country is set up, all you can hope for is maybe to one day own the rickshaw you pull. No, I don't think so. So the man is saying he is thinking he must own that rickshaw which he is driving, and the peoples are needing, they think for they must have a car. That is his goal, to attain a rickshaw of his self, for his own rickshaw. So what table 1.1 is saying, developmental goals of different categories of persons. There is category given and the developmental goals are given. So category 1 is of the landless rural laborers. What their developmental goals are. So if we see of what their aspirations are, so more days of work and better wages. This is the first developmental goal of the rural landless laborer, कि they should get the work in more number of days and the better wages. Local school is able to provide quality education for their children, and there is no social discrimination, and they too can become leaders in the village. That is just the goal of a landless rural labor. They thinking कि अगर वो उनको ईयर में जितने भी दिन उनको वर्क मिलता है, ज़्यादा दिन वर्क मिले, बेहतर उनको उसके अगेंस्ट में वेजेस मिलती रहें. जो लोकल स्कूल है वहाँ पे, जो स्थानीय स्कूल है वहाँ पे उनके बच्चों की पढ़ाई हो सके, उन्हें क्वालिटी एजुकेशन, अच्छी एजुकेशन मिले, एंड देयर इज़ नो सोशल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. उनके साथ कोई भी सामाजिक भेदभाव ना किया जाए, और वो भी अपने गांव में जो लीडर है, प्रधान है, उस वो बन सकें. तो वो सोचते हैं कि वो डेवलप होंगे. अब एक और एग्जाम्पल है, देयर इज अनदर एग्जाम्पल गिवन. प्रॉस्परस फार्मर्स फ्रॉम पंजाब, व्हाट दे एस्पायर, assured high family income through higher support prices for their crops. This is the first expectation, first goal. And through hard working and cheap laborers, they should be able to settle their children abroad. पंजाब के जो वेल्दी फार्मर्स हैं, प्रॉस्परस संपन्न किसान हैं, वो सोचते हैं कि अगर उनकी फैमिली में जो उनकी इनकम है वो बढ़ जाती है. कैसे बढ़ सकती है इनकम? जो सपोर्ट प्राइस है, जो वो क्रॉप सेल करते हैं गवर्नमेंट को, उसका प्राइस, सपोर्ट प्राइस बढ़ जाए, एंड जो उनको लेबर की कॉस्ट है, लेबर, हार्ड वर्किंग लेबर कम पैसों पे मिल जाए. और देन वो क्या सोचेंगे, देन व्हाट नेक्स्ट दे विल डू, तो दे शुड बी एबल टू सेटल देयर चिल्ड्रन अब्रॉड. तो वो अपने बच्चों को विदेश में सेट कर देंगे, उन्हें वहाँ पे भेज देंगे, जिससे वो अपना करियर वहाँ पे बना सकें, और वो ये फील करेंगे कि वो इस सोसाइटी में डेवलप हैं. इसी तरह से देर आर फ्यू मोर एग्जाम्पल अबाउट विच यू नीड टू राइट कि व्हाट दे आर थिंकिंग दे विल बी डेवलप्ड. तो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज गिवन, फार्मर्स हु डिपेंड ओनली ऑन रेन फॉर ग्रोइंग क्रॉप्स, व्हाट दे थिंक. अ रूरल वुमेन फ्रॉम अ लैंड ओइंग फैमिली, what she used to think. An urban unemployed youth, what he is thinking about when he will be developed. A boy from a rich urban family, what his aspirations or life goals are when he feel he will be developed. You think about it, then you should write it. Another example given, a girl from a rich urban family, what she thinks for. So she gets as much freedom as her brother and is able to decide what she wants to do in life. She is able to pursue her studies abroad. then she used to think she is developed. Now the another example is an Adivasi from Narmada Valley. What he is thinking about, he is developed. So you think about it and do chapter reading, and I'll give you the answer of these questions in the upcoming session. Okay, and keep reading books, and I'll see you in the next session. Okay, so stay safe. Thank you.